Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Rocket Money showing a network or connection error even though your Wi-Fi is clearly working for everything else? Here's the fix. First, go to your settings app and here, toggle airplane mode on for about 15 seconds. Then turn it back off, which fully resets your network connection and clears the stale system that Rocket Money servers can't reject even when your internet looks fine. After reconnecting, force close the Rocket Money app from your recent app and then reopen it. If the error continues, then go to your settings and then go to Wi-Fi. Tap on the little eye next to your network and tap forget this network. Then reconnect by tapping the network again and entering your password, which clears a broken connection profile. If it still shows the error on Wi-Fi especially, try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data in the settings to confirm whether the issue is with your specific network. Then also go back in the settings and go to General. Scroll down to VPN and device management to confirm your VPN is not active, since VPNs frequently trigger false connection errors on finance apps especially. So all you gotta do is airplane mode reset, forget and reconnect your Wi-Fi and turn off any VPN. The connection error clears and that's it. Subscribe.